Kasabay ng pagtatapos ng 2024 Balikatan exercises, inanunsyo ng Defense Department na magiging mas malawakan ang pagsasanay ng militar sa susunod na taon. Kabilang dyan ang actual combat simulation na inaabangan na raw mismo ng Pangulo. At nakatutok si Chino Gaston.
Ang matagumpay na pag-target at pagtama sa isang barko ng mga makabagong missiles ng AFP, joint sail ng Philippine Navy warships kasama ang US, France at iba pang kaalyadong bansa sa karagatan ng Palawan. At ang iba pang joint military exercise ng mga sundalo at armas ng US at Pilipinas sa 2024 Balikatan exercises. Lahat yan, pagpapakita raw ng kahandaan ng dalawang bansa na harapin ang anumang panlabas na banta. Ang susunod na balikatan, inaasahang tampok ang isang actual combat simulation gaya ng pag-atake ng isang kalaban sa Pilipinas at ang pagtugon dito ng pinagsanib na puwersa ng mga Amerikano at Pilipino. Inaabangan na daw ito ni Pangulong Marcos ayon kay Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro Jr.
He looks forward to next year's exercise, which will be I believe the full battle simulation, which will put to the test the combined capabilities in the most realistic of scenarios possible, with safety in mind.
I believe that next year's exercise would be more complex, and I was told that starting this afternoon, they will already start the planning process for next year's Balikatan exercise.
May patikim tungkol dyan ang mga pinuno ng puwersa ng Pilipinas at Amerika.
I think it's safe to say that we'll look to improve and continue the great momentum we have in increasing lethality by sensing the battle space and employing long-range fires. And I think we will also, as part of the full battle test, we will look to increase our interoperability that's ready to go, time now, and ready to handle any adversary that is foolish enough to challenge our shores or our democratic way of life.